How to turn off PS5 trophy videos and screenshots. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off PS5 trophy videos and screenshots. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You may notice when playing your PlayStation 5 that as soon as you unlock a trophy on the console, it will start recording a short video of you collecting it. In order to turn off trophy videos and screenshots on PS5, all you need to do is go to Settings and tap on the Captures and Broadcasts option, and further tap on the Trophies option. Now go ahead and toggle off the button for both Save Trophy Screenshots and Save Trophy Videos. If you have already got a bunch of these videos eating up PS5 storage space, then you can delete them from the Trophy tab of the Media Gallery app. Also, if you ever want to re-enable this feature at any time in the future, then just return to Settings and tap on Captures and Broadcast, and then on Trophies and re-enable the Save Trophy Screenshots and Save Trophy Videos toggle buttons. And this is how you can turn off PS5 trophy videos and screenshots. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.